Weather now with Tallissa Saganto. And Tallissa, it's cooled down in the southeast, but other parts of the state are still sweltering.
They are, Jess, especially through the interior and to the north up into the Gulf. It's a really hot air mass which is impacting the NT as well as what's dialing up those temperatures, particularly the overnight ones. Today we saw areas like Normanton and Mount Isa with lows in the high 20s, then getting up to tops of low 40s, so no real reprieve from that stagnant heat. Those severe to extreme heatwave conditions will continue across the weekend, but should start to ease from early next week. Elsewhere around the state, temps were near average, a bit lower in the southeast, Hervey Bay reaching a top of 28, cooler in Toowoomba on 26. It was cloudy in the city and a wind change overnight brought much cooler conditions than we saw earlier in the week, only getting to a top of 27 and 28 for Ipswich. And we got some great photos sent in overnight. Peter got a glorious shot of the sunset over Montville after the storms yesterday, and so did Tristan, snapping the pink skies down on the beach at Markula. Thanks for those pictures. And to the satellite now, and there wasn't much cloud over the state today. Some patchy areas to the north and in the western corner, which did bring a bit of rain here and there, but not much. Troughs are also helping draw that heat across the north, and another trough has triggered a few showers in eastern Queensland. Around the country tomorrow, and a cool start for the capital on 5 degrees before climbing to 23. Sunny in Melbourne with a top of 25, the same for Perth, and storms for Darwin. Back home and sunny and warm in the north, 34 in Cairns and slightly cooler in Townsville. Very warm inland as those heatwave conditions continue to grip the region along the coast. There is a chance of a thunderstorm. Could be severe in some areas with temps sitting between the high 20s to low 30s. In the southeast, isolated showers could be seen across the whole region, and there is a potential for storm activity too, anywhere between Bundaberg and the southern border. Brisbane should see similar conditions as today, partly cloudy and a little cooler, set to reach 25, 26 for Ipswich. On the bay tomorrow, seas below 1 metres with up to 20 knot northeasterlies, and looking ahead, it will be a mostly clear but cooler weekend in the city with temperatures set to rise again by early next week. We could see a shower or two on Tuesday, Jess.
Bit of a mixed bag for the kids on school holidays at the moment. Thanks, Tallissa. That is ABC News at the moment. Thank you for your company. We'll keep you up to date on our website, but for now, have a great night.